down. It'll break down the notes. So, all right. Where you at? In the garage?
No, I'm in my bedroom. I just got everything dark in the background. You're so computer savvy, man. I don't even know how you're doing this. Screen sharing.
So when you log into Canva, you can just go up here and type in ebook. You know, honestly, how much are they charging? Like 150 bucks, 200 bucks?
Yeah.
It's 14 pages, man. It's not crazy. You know, you could do it yourself. Because you're gonna have to kind of create a template for them as well, you know, like a guideline on how they're gonna, you know, gonna go through the process, right? So when you type in ebook in Canva, it'll pull up all these different templates in Canva. And the cool thing about this is you can pick any of these, right? Like whatever kind of vibe you're going for. You know, black. What kind of brand are you doing? What's the name of it? What's the name of the ebook?
I don't even have a name yet. I was using Chat GPT, and it was pretty much like 10 recipes for microgreens.
Oh, so it's a recipe, right?
Yeah, it's a cookbook with 10 recipes and then nutrient facts, and yeah.
Cool. So I'm just going to type in ebook cookbook, and let's see what pops up. Perfect. So we got some pretty cool stuff popping up.
Okay.
Got some pretty. This one's kind of cool.
Yeah.
So a thing that you want to look for right here is this number piece right here.
All right.
Because the more that you have, this one has 2, this one has 4. The more that you have, the easier it will be to replicate. This one's kind of cool too. Ultimately, it doesn't. Let me see. This one's actually, so this one has 16, bro. Like, you know, the perfect. More that you have, the less images you got to make up. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So what I mean by that is, as this is scrolling, you're going to see these images, right?
Uh-huh.
So you could just replace these images with your images, right?
Okay.
So let me see if I can filter this more. And let me know if you're like, yo, I don't know what the freak you're talking about.
No, you actually, I'm going to, like, you already planted the seed. Canva, ebook, cookbook, and then look at the pages that are easy to replicate, and then add my own text and own pictures. Okay, and then how much are these? Did they say?
These are free if you got the premium Canva account. Okay. If not, it's going to be a couple bucks.
All right, I'm gonna do this. Let me get off Fiverr right now. Fuck it.
Yeah, because bro, if you got the time, you could knock this out in. Like this one's kind of cool too, right? Like I don't know what kind of vibe you're going for, but this one's kind of cute. Let me see. I'm gonna pick one to kind of show you an example. This one's kind of cool too.
Yeah, I like that. The salad platter. I like that one.
Yeah. Let me see if I type in stat green, what pops up. I don't even know what that is, man. Borched? What? I don't even.
Raw? I don't know. Sounds kind of gross.
So I'm just gonna pick this one real quick because just to show you, right?
Okay.
So you can go in here and then write like, you don't have to change the font. I know this isn't what it's called, but and you just adjust it. Let's do it like that. Shrink this down. Something like this, right? I'm just
Right. Playing around.
right now. Yeah. Right. So, and then you can put the logo right here. Let me see if I have the logo. I have it somewhere, but you know, pop the logo right here.
Okay.
And then this image right here. The cool thing with this image is when you delete it, you can just easily place a new image over top, right? And you could search in this piece here for existing images. Just click on photos.
Your mouse says, I think your screen.
Oh,
Oh, there you go. Oh, okay.
yeah. So thanks, man. So you just delete that image, the one that was there,
Uh-huh.
and then you just go here to elements, type in microgreens, photos, boom.
Okay.
And then, you know, you can change the date here.
Right.
I wouldn't even put a table of contents, you know?
You would
I
not.
Yeah, just go right into the juice, bro. Like,
Okay.
you know, take a small paragraph, you know, about what's cooking, change this image.
Damn, Canva is a cheat code.
Super cheat code. I generally like to keep the images there. I generally like to keep the image there so then I can just like resize it so I don't lose the format.
Okay.
You know, see how I just did that? And I
Right.
just went over it.
You don't even
And then once
delete
I
it.
get the size right, I just delete it.
Oh, okay. All right.
You know? So like this already looks like super good.
Yeah, it does. Oh man. All right. I got some homework.
And if you're like, you know, bro, if you don't want to do it, right, that's fine. Like I have a VA that can do it, but they're gonna need a template and photos anyways, right? So
Right.
if it's 14 pages, man, it's nothing. If you got the time,
I do.
you know, might learn it, you know? And you could go to let's see. I can share this with you too. I know I have your logo somewhere. I just don't know where it's at.
No, it's all good, man. You've already done enough. I'm on Canva right now. I'm about to start looking around.
Yeah, if you got the time, knock it out. Like this, and then just, you don't have to worry about this. Like just delete this page, delete this table of contents. And then it just goes right into the recipes,
Okay. Thank you, dog.
Yeah, for sure, man. For sure. I hope this was helpful. And if you get super stuck, like, just let me know. Somebody can do it.
Okay.
But with 14 pages, bro, it's not.
Right. It's nothing. I could do this. I could definitely do this. This is doable.
And then here's a little trick. Like if you want to move this whole thing here, just hit shift and then highlight it with the mouse. And then you can move the whole thing.
Okay. Sheesh. This is too easy.
Yeah. Or super plain and simple, bro. You could just put it on a Google. It doesn't even have to have photos. It could just be on a Google sheet.
Right. No, this is good. I want it to be legit. I want it to look nice and pretty, and I want it to entice people, and I want it to be a nice free gift to to lead people into the murky waters of gardening and growing his own shit,
Yeah.
All right, my guy. Thank you so much, man.
Cool. You're welcome. All right, man. Chat soon.
All right.